You are going to love the 2018 Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats, standard, with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.